What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 1996 Harley Davidson lowrider. Guys, this bike is a little bit weathered in certain areas. There's a chip right there on that back fender. Back tire looks good though. Just because it's a 1996. I mean, this thing is like 22 years old. So you gotta kind of take it with a grain of salt. You know, you got some a little bit of, not like rust, it's more just like dirt. But you know, it's got some, you know, rust on a bolt right there. A little bit of rust on a bolt down there. It's got these old school vintage, whoa, sorry about that. Got these vintage Screaming Eagle pipes. It says lowrider right there. I don't know why it has the V2 logo right there. Someone's gonna freak out at me on the comment section. It's got this scratch across the top where it's chipped in the paint. Not a huge deal. It is super priced accordingly on the website. Got two little rips in the seat. It's like 40-some hundred bucks, 4,800 bucks, 4,700 bucks. Chip right there. Got these forward controls. Chip and chip on the front fender there. Windshield's in pretty good shape. It's got these amazing Avon grips. It's crazy what you're holding, how it makes a bike feel better. Like a $30 pair of grips might make your bike feel like $1 million motorcycle. It's a little bit, you know, chipped up along the engine there. It's got those spark plugs. I don't know if those are Screaming Eagle spark plugs. They are definitely a different color. A little bit of pitting in the chrome. Chip right there. I mean, you guys kind of see what I'm saying. It's got, you know, this was, oh, that's pretty good. So, you know, worn around there. It's got little stuff, you know, on the bars. All in all, though, I mean, I think this bike could be pretty awesome. It's got good tread on the front tire, too. I'll just show you that. But here's this thing fire up. Where is the key? Okay, obviously it's carbureted. No surprise there. Bada bing, bada boom. These old Harleys have a little point symbol there. So at first I was like, oh my gosh, it's got 178,000 miles on it. It's got 17,841 miles on it. I mean, that fires up really well. Just show a little more love. A little more love. Oh, it's out. Do it again. Cold start, guys. I know I can't necessarily prove that because I just turned the video on, but I actually had this bike out here and I was cleaning it up earlier today, and I just came back out about 5 hours later. One thing I want to note too, there's a slight, you can see that slight dent right there. Guys, like I said, this bike is definitely priced accordingly. It's an awesome platform for whatever you guys want to do to it. I think this bike could look amazing. Somebody buy it so that I don't end up keeping it and turning it into something that I want. Love me a good lowrider. The Dynas are obviously becoming an extinct breed, so jump on this one. I mean, it's a super cool bike. Let us know if you're interested, guys. I can ship it anywhere. I'll get it to you in Cali. You Cali Dyna riders, I can get it to you guys for like 500 bucks. Thanks for watching, guys.